065. It's a Pyramid King room at the Luxor. As you come in, you've got your bathroom on the left, depending on which way around the room's designed, because we have had it the other way around. We have done a room tour of this before, but I forgot to turn the lights on, so I've decided to do another one. It's a very big counter space. You've got your products, hand wash, body lotion, which is great. You've got your toilet, and you've got a nice full-size shower with a sliding door, and it's a full-size door, not like some of these half doors that we find annoying because the water ends up outside the shower. And as you move through, you have a full-length mirror, and then you've got the main room. So you've got your king-size bed. Looks like someone's stolen the lamp on the left side, but never mind. Then you have your side table. I think the safe is in this drawer. Yeah, it's one of the pull-up safes, so they're quite good. They're quite deep. You can get more in it than the upright ones, I find. And then the other side, you've got cupboard space. That I think used to be a fridge, but they've taken them out. All the drawers, and then you've got a full-size closet which lights up when you open it with your iron and ironing board. You've got a nice big telly, media station, your ice bucket and everything. And then this side you've got another drawer, lamp, you've got a writing desk or a work desk, whatever you want to use it for. And that's got outlets on the side as well, so plenty of outlets. There's some on the lamps as well. They're old outlets because there's no USBs or anything, but it's not too bad. And then you've got a table and two comfy chairs. And the view, you probably can't see anything in the camera because the sun's coming from one way and the light's coming from behind, but I'll pull it out. It's basically a view of Allegiant Stadium and the mountains, but I might try and take some more footage in the daytime, or when the sun's not coming down, and see if it comes out anymore. But that's a room tour of the Pyramid King room at the Luxor. Thanks for watching.